Hi everyone, how are you? Nice to meet you for today. Welcome to our online learning. As usual, we should remind each other about the rules that we should follow inside the classroom. Mute your mic. Raise up your hand if you want to answer a question. Close your camera. No videos. You have to respect your teachers and your friends. You have to be on time. Well done. Also, let us remember what are the symptoms of someone has coronavirus or COVID-19. This person has fever, dry cough, shortness of breath, headaches, ache and pains, sore throat. What should we do, girls, to keep ourselves safe? You should stay at home, wear gloves and masks. You should keep distance between you and someone else. Wash your hands regularly. Eat healthy food. Drink much water and liquids. Well done. Today, inshallah, we are going to study the last lesson in our book, which is lesson 15, Go Green. So, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to use vocabulary related to the environment, also write for a specific audience and purpose. What can you see in this picture, girls? What's happening? What's happening here? Yes, this is our earth. Yes, we live on the earth. And we need to read can you see the smoke here around the earth? This is happening because of something which is called global warming. Here I have 5 sentences in your book. Exercise 1. We need to read the statements and to show which one is more dangerous and then less and then less and then less from these events. For example, number 1, the world will become warmer. Number 2, there may be more extreme weather. Number 3, some animals may stop existing. Number 4, in dry areas there may be even less water. Number 5, winters may become much colder. So which one do you think is more dangerous, the most dangerous one? So you can think and tell me your opinion, because here we have different opinions. Maybe my opinion, it will be different from your opinion. Maybe I will choose the world will become warmer. This is number 1. Why warmer? Because of extreme weather. So my sentence, it will be number 2. This is the first one, extreme weather. Then number 1, the world will become warmer. Then number 5, winters may become much colder. Then number 4, in dry areas there may be even less water. And the last one, some animals may stop existing. This is my opinion. Maybe you have something else, maybe you have different opinion, so I will check with you later. I need you now to open your learner's book, page 216. Here you have some statements. We need to find out if they are true or false. Let's read number 1. The earth is slowly getting hotter. So what do you think? Yes. Number 2, building eco houses and eco cities is cheap. Less money? Costs less money? Of course not. It is very expensive, like Masdar City in Abu Dhabi. Number 3, global warming is good for the environment? No, of course. Global warming is very dangerous for the environment and make the weather hotter and hotter, because that's why it causes global warming. Number 4, global warming is caused by smoking? No. It is caused by extreme weather, like hot, flood, hurricane, tornado. This is caused global warming. Number 5. Using fewer fossil fuels will stop global warming? Yes. Fossil fuels like oil, like natural gas, like coal, these things we call them fossil fuels. If you use fewer of them, yes, will stop global warming. Number 6, recycling is bad for the environment? Of course not. Recycling is good. Recycling is eco-friendly. Number 7, one day the Earth's resources will run out? Yes, of course. Gas will run out, oil will run out, and coal will run out. This is Earth resources. Number 8, people who live in Hamarby, Sujdad don't care about pollution? No, they are caring about pollution. That's why all the city is eco-friendly. Number 9, global warming is not caused by people. It is caused by people. People made pollution. That's why global warming is happening. The last one, there is nothing we can do to stop global warming? No, we have many things to do to stop global warming, like being eco-friendly. Eco, it means that green, stop pollution, stop throwing garbage, use, recycle, whatever. We can do it. We need now to think together, girls. How can we stop global warming? How can we stop global warming? That's what I mentioned before now. Use recycle, use renewable energy, be clean, be friendly to the environment. You can use many things. I will listen to your answer later. You can think and tell me, how can we stop global warming? Here I have a survey, a quiz. How green are you? This quiz in page 183 in your activity book. You need to read these questions and choose your answer according to you. And now we will find out how green are you. For example, number 1, when you travel to school, do you walk or take a bus or drive? Number 2, when you brush your teeth, do you leave the water running? Sometimes, always, or never. Number 3, when you leave a room last, do you turn the lights off? Never. Sometimes, always. Do you grow your own food at home or at school? Some of it, none of it, all of it. Number 5, when you have read a newspaper or magazine, do you throw it on the floor? Do you throw it in the rubbish bin or recycle it? Number 6, when you wash your clothes using a washing machine, is the machine full or half full or nearly empty? Number 7, when it is hot, do you go to the cooler place rather than turn on the air conditioning? Sometimes, always, never. Number 8, do you leave the refrigerator door open when you are cooking? Never. Sometimes, always. Number 9, do you recycle batteries? Always, never, sometimes. Number 10, you see a friend drop an empty bottle of water. Do you throw one down too? Or pretend not to notice? Or pick it up and throw it away properly? So you can choose your answer about yourself. Every one of you choose the answer about yourself. And here you have the result. Here you have the result. Choose yourself, please. If you score from 1 to 10, they really need to work on being kinder to the environment. You have to be more careful about the environment. If your score is from 11 to 20, they are care about the environment but need to think more carefully about it. If you got 21 to 30, they are environmental warriors. So this is your score about yourselves. So everyone do the quiz by yourself, please, waiting for your answers inside the classroom. Now this is your homework in your book, page 216, learner's book. I need you to think, to use your knowledge of the climate change. Can you please design and write a leaflet? What's climate change? What is it? How it is caused? What makes climate change? And do you have any ideas? How can we stop it? How can we stop the climate from changing? So this is your homework. I need you to write a leaflet, paragraph, short paragraph, about what's climate, what climate change is, how it is caused, and what ideas for how we can stop it. This is your homework. Thank you very much, girls. Good luck. See you, inshallah, next year. Bye, everyone.